Sports news now. India is finally close to ending its Olympic suspension. After a year-long suspension, the Indian Olympic Association has now agreed to toe the IOC line.
Even though it took IOA more than a year to understand that nation's interest is paramount, but finally, a sane sense prevailed. IOA has amended its constitution according to the IOC regulations. That means no charge-sheeted and charge-framed person will be eligible to contest the election. Fresh elections are scheduled for 9th February 2014. And tainted administrators like Abhay Singh Chautala and Lalit Bhanot are effectively removed and can't contest the IOA elections.
So they can't contest the election.
They are not eligible.
They can't contest the election. They won't be part of that one. They can't take part in any activity of the IOA.
Accepting IOC's constitution means that India will get back to Olympic movement on December 10th, when the IOC will in all likelihood recommend lifting India's suspension to its executive committee. Ironically, it was Chautala who proposed the amendment and Bhanot seconded it.
9 फरवरी का डेट हमने रखी है, उससे पहले हमारा एक डेलीगेशन जा रहा है। हम उनसे जा करके हमारी जो 5 मेंबर्स की कमेटी जाएगी वो ये पूछेगी कि जो कानून आज आप हमारे पे लागू कर रहे हैं, क्या ये पूरी दुनिया पे लागू है? अगर पूरी दुनिया पे ये चीज़ लागू है तो फिर हम भी मानने को तैयार हैं, लेकिन हमने केवल मात्र इसलिए माना इस बात को कि हमारे एथलीट्स के ऊपर कल को कोई दूसरा झंडा लगने की बजाय जब वो मेडल जीते या जब मार्च पास्ट में जाए या जब मैदान में खेलने के लिए जाए तो उसके पास इंडिया का झंडा होना चाहिए.
We want the participation of the Indian athletes under the flag, and that interest is the first, and it is immaterial whether we stay or somebody else come. So that's why we have done it.
The year-long suspension has been a long and humiliating journey for Indian sports.
The good news is that India will be back into the Olympic movement. But the irony is that the two persons responsible for India's suspension for over 1 year, Abhay Singh Chautala and Lalit Bhanot, were the one to propose and second the amendment, which means that they will not be able to contest on February 9th election.